So in this geometry video, we are going to be discussing why 30, 60, 90 triangles are so important in geometry and why they're useful in geometry problems. So in the last video, we proved why given a right triangle, a 30, 60, 90 triangle, of course, 60, this is 30, and this, of course, is a right triangle. If the shorter leg is x, then the longer leg is x root 3, and the hypotenuse is 2x. So we already know this. Now, we're going to try this on a couple of problems. Suppose we need to find the area of a 30, 60, 90 triangle. And the shorter leg is 4. How are we going to solve the problem? Well, first, I just know how to do this in my head because I already know the longer leg is 4 root 3. So, half of 4 is 2. 2 times 4 root 3 is 8 root 3. 8 root 3 is the answer. But, how did we actually do this problem? I'm going to go a little bit slower. First, we use the formula. One of the easiest formulas, half of base times height. Well, the base, we can do either 4 root 3 or 4. I'm just going to do 4 since it's just so easier. You could use 4 root 3 if you wanted to. That would be 2 root 3 times 4. Anyways, so this would be 2 times 4 root 3. Now, 2 times 4 is 8, and the radical remains inside, so we have 8 root 3 as our answer. Now, if this was not a 30, 60, 90 triangle, or if we did not know the relationships between sides in a 30, 60, 90 triangle, we would not be able to solve the problem if we didn't know what this and this side were. But we already know this is just 4 root 3. We can keep changing the value of x, and this is just going to be replaced by, let's say it's going to be replaced by 5, this is going to be 5. So it's really convenient, and this is just, if this is 4, or this is 5, it's going to be 10, and that's going to be 5 root 3. So it's extremely useful, as you can see. Now let's try on a couple example problems. So let's say I have 30, 60, 90 triangle. I'm going to do 6, and of course we're going to have a right triangle, not right angle, 30-degree angle, and our 60-degree. Now pause the video and try the problem. And I encourage you to do it in your head, because this can easily be done completely in your head. Alright, so hopefully you've come up with a solution by now. I'm going to first do it in my head. So, half of 6 is 3. Alright, this is 6 root 3. Half of 6 is 3. So, 3 times 6 root 3, 6 times 3 is 18, so that's 18 root 3. So, first we took, I'm just going to write this down. Alright, so 18 root 3 is the answer. First we took half of 6, that's 3, multiplied by 6 root 3, because that's what the formula tells us to. 3 times 6 is 18. So our answer is 18 root 3. So hopefully you understand now why the 30, 60, 90 triangles are so important in geometry. Hopefully this video was helpful, and yeah, that's 30, 60, 90 triangles and why they're important.